What's going on, y'all? I went fishing the other day and look what I caught. A bunch of bluegill. They small, pan fish, but they tasty nonetheless. But anyway, let's get them fried up, seasoned up, and let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because we love tasty.
So the first thing we had to do, we had to go ahead and get them clean. So we're going to have to descale them, y'all. This do take a little time. All you need is a spoon and just rub it against the way the scale is going, which is going from the tail towards the head. Once you get them seasoned up, this is what they look like. And of course, we had to rain them. Had to hit them with the salt, some fresh Cajun seasoning, whatever kind you like. I got several kinds I like, y'all. But anyway, I seasoned up some flour with the salt, Cajun season, and some dill. And then we got our fish in. Now, when you get your breading on, make sure you get that breading everywhere, even inside that cavity, y'all. Don't forget to get that breading inside that cavity. And straight into that hot grease at 350 degrees, y'all. Always fry at 350 degrees, y'all. There are some exceptions, but most of the time that's where you want to be. Now, see, anytime you see that fin raise up like that when it hit that grease, you know that fish is fresh, y'all. That's a sign of freshness. But anyway, we're going to let this fish fry for about 5, maybe 6 minutes, depending on the size of the fish. And this is what it should look like when you get ready to take it out of there, y'all. Look at it, nice, good, golden crispy. And those fins are fried well too, because we eating them like fish potato chips, y'all. Fish potato chip. And all yet, I'm gonna eat that head too. So the only thing about the head, there's just a little bit of meat in there, but why waste it? I believe in if you're gonna eat an animal, use the whole thing. So I get all the little meat off the head. I even eat the eyeball, y'all. Might sound crazy, but I do. So I'm pick this head. In other words, just get all that meat off that head that I can get. And it surely is tasty. But let's move on to this fish. Now up here, that's where all your good meat is. You ain't even gotta worry about no bones there. But when you go down past there, you gonna have bones, y'all. So let's just pick us a piece of fish and check it out, y'all. So good. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.